Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best desoldering wick is probably one of the most essential tools in any electronics repair toolkit, allowing for precise removal of excess solder without damaging delicate components or the PCB. Whether you're a seasoned professional tackling intricate circuit board repairs or a hobbyist working on your latest project, having a reliable desoldering wick can make the difference between a successful fix and a frustrating setback. This video will dive deep into what makes a desoldering wick truly stand out, ensuring you can confidently choose the right one for your needs and achieve clean, professional results every time. Number 5. Hakko FR301 Portable Desoldering Tool. Experience true portability with this tool. It operates independently, eliminating the need for a separate station. This hand tool delivers the power of an industrial desoldering station. It's designed to be both compact and lightweight for easy handling. It offers seamless integration with N61 nozzles. This ensures a perfect fit for your existing setup. Achieve precise results with its extensive temperature range. It can operate from 660 degrees Fahrenheit to 930 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Benefit from its robust vacuum pressure of 81 kilopascals. This ensures efficient and clean desoldering every time. What we like. This tool offers the power of an industrial station in a portable package. It's self-contained, meaning no extra equipment is needed. If you need high performance on the go or in tight spaces, this is the desoldering solution for you. What people say. At a setting of around 700 F, 371C, it is more than capable of removing the most stubborn components. Tip change is easy, even hot, and the unit will extract a lot of components before you need to empty the collector. The unit has a really nice latch system on the solder collector that locks the spring in place so that removal and replacement of the collector is easy. Number 4. TOWOT Solder Wick Braid 10 feet. Crafted from 100% copper wires with a fine braid design, this tool ensures efficient heat conduction. Its strong capillary action effectively pulls in excess solder for a clean finish. Correcting mistakes on small PCB boards has never been easier. It provides a simple way to clean small components without damaging the board, perfect for resoldering tasks. Whether you're in a lab, school, home, or industrial setting, this desoldering wick is your go-to solution. Its design brings greater convenience to your daily welding work. Experience a low-residue cleanup with this no-clean solder wick. The minimal residues left behind are non-conductive and non-corrosive, saving you valuable time. We stand by the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for choosing our desoldering wick. What we like. Made with high-quality copper, this wick ensures excellent solder absorption. Its no-clean flux formula saves you time on post-job cleanup. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient desoldering braid for everyday tasks and quick fixes, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a good quality solder wick. The flux that is on the copper braid helps to wet the melted solder so that it is absorbed into the braid. It does the job well, but be sure to cut into small strips when using so the whole roll does not act like a heat sink. The product absorbed the solder easily. Number 3. AUSTOR Desoldering Sucker and Solder Braid Wick Set. Introducing the AUSTOR Desoldering Sucker and Solder Braid Wick Set. This high-efficiency tool makes removing solder from circuit boards a breeze. Its innovative design allows for one-handed operation, ensuring quick and effective solder removal. This set includes 6 pieces of copper solder braid in 3 different sizes. They are perfect for cleaning excess solder from pins, preventing short circuits. Meet all your soldering needs with this versatile selection. Crafted from premium ABS material, this desoldering pump is built to last. It features a non-slip sponge and a durable nylon nozzle. The anti-static and heat-resistant design ensures safety and longevity. Ideal for correcting mistakes on small PCB boards, removing components, and general cleaning. This tool is perfect for both resoldering and desoldering tasks. It's a must-have for any electronics enthusiast. This comprehensive 7-in-1 solder removal tool includes 1 desoldering sucker and 6 solder wicks in 3 convenient sizes. It provides everything you need for efficient solder removal in one package. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution with both a powerful solder sucker and multiple sizes of desoldering braid. It's designed for versatility and ease of use, even for beginners. If you need a complete package for various desoldering needs and want to correct mistakes on PCBs, this all-in-one tool is ideal. What people say. The sucker has really good power compared to the blue and silver that is usually included with cheap irons and stations, and it completely cleared a lot of solder from a switch in one shot. The pump is great, actually have a comfort hand grip, it's easy to use, and the durability is pretty nice on it. Very happy with the wick as well. The sucker works extremely well and feels good in the hand. Number 2. Fanttik T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. Introducing the Fanttik T1 Max, your ultimate tool for precision repair. This cordless soldering iron heats up in just 7 seconds, making your tasks more efficient than ever. Equipped with rapid heating tips, it ensures quick and efficient work. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of wireless operation at 840 degrees Fahrenheit, or switch to wired mode for up to 16 W of power. It intelligently enters sleep mode after 30 seconds of inactivity and automatically resumes heating when you pick it up. This ensures safety and saves energy. With 6 adjustable temperature levels, you can precisely control the heat from 390 degrees Fahrenheit to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. This protects heat-sensitive components during delicate repairs. Its compact and stable design includes a 360-degree swivel stand, keeping your workspace clean and organized. It's not just a tool, but an aesthetic addition to your desk. This kit comes with everything you need, including 4 precision soldering tips. Experience the convenience and power of the Fanttik T1 Max for all your repair needs. What we like. Experience rapid heating and the freedom of cordless use with this advanced soldering iron kit. Its intelligent features like auto sleep and wake minimize power waste and enhance safety. If you value speed, portability, and smart technology for precision repairs, this tool is designed for you. What people say. It heats up quickly, and just works. I also like the multiple tips for the iron as well. Super duper lightweight, no need for a station where you need to plug it in when soldering. Also clears more space and don't have to worry about a cable in your way, which is annoying. It charges quickly and keeps a long charge. This is a great soldering kit to have. Number 1. MG Chemicals 425 NS No Clean Super Wick. Meet the 425 NS Super Wick from MG Chemicals. It's designed for efficient desoldering and cleaning applications. This product is ideal for cleaning and lubricating controls. It ensures a smooth and effective process every time. You can trust its static-free formulation, which is safe for use on plastics and other sensitive materials. It's 100% ozone safe and offers a fast-drying solution. This means less downtime and a cleaner workspace. The flux residue remaining on the board does not require cleaning. This simplifies your workflow and saves valuable time. It meets stringent industry standards, including Belcore specification TR, TSY 000078 and IPC testing. This ensures reliable performance. What we like. This desoldering braid leaves minimal, non-corrosive residue, simplifying your cleanup process. It's also static-free, making it safe for sensitive components and plastics. If you work with delicate electronics or require a residue-free finish, this high-performance wick is the professional choice. What people say. Great wicking action. Fast and thorough with minimal solder tip contact. Makes it easy to remove soldered components. Easy on the board traces. It just sucks up all the old solder off of a solder joint, and you are left with a trace that is easy to reuse. This draws up the solder very well, great for cleaning up SMD and through hole pads prior to soldering in replacement parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.